Hi guys, I just woke up and had breakfast. Today is the day that we pick up Ahsoka. It is puppy day and I'm so excited. I'm going to be taking you along and I'm super excited anyways. Link, what's wrong? So we are on the way. We had to make a stop for petrol, but after that it's about 1 hour and 20 minutes drive and then we'll be there and we can pick up the puppy. Hi puppies. Hi. Such a beautiful girl, huh? Hi puppy. Picked up Ahsoka. We're about 20 minutes from home now. The whole car ride she's been really good. She's been sleeping on the little mat that we got from the breeder that smells like her mama and her brothers and sisters. So she's been really good. I kind of overestimated her size, so the collar does not fit yet. And the harness does kind of fit, but I think within 2 weeks she'll be grown into it, so that's okay. But yeah, she's being really good, so yeah, I'm proud of her for that. It's the first steps.